A letter from a sinner. Dear God, why haven't you given me my answer? Tell me why there's young being diagnosed with cancer. Why are people being led astray by some pastors? I see some good actors. I'm weighing all the factors. The Bible in my hand, I'm looking beyond the chapters. There's pictures in my mind that my heart can't capture. I know about the crucifixion, and I know about the resurrection, but I still need answers, and I still have questions. I see the church people dying for the truth while living in their deception. While some born into blessings, others into the poverty, the drugs, and the stressing. Some people can't walk, some barely breathing. Some are born in the wrong country and there ain't no leaving. Say they love Jesus, that's treason. What should they believe in? We're talking mass murders, people dying in legions. Hard-working mother, 2 kids, gets fired for no reason. But still gotta provide, so she turns to the path of thieving just to feed her children. I mean, of course we got evil, but God, there's some good people. They wanna know why, and I can't even lie. I don't know the answers, I'm just looking to the sky. Lord, is it just fate? Is it just life? People need an escape, but people won't believe until they see your face, and it'll be too late. We can't see the hope, we can feel the pain though. You have the umbrella, somehow we still in the rain though. Yeah, we hear the shame flow, we see them blood stains though. But I mean, you know how the game go. Some even say you watching down like your fave show. But then again, I mean, we caught up in our own sin. Sunday we some saints though. Worried about them bankrolls, they won't open the gates though. I guess we are getting some answers, just wasn't what we prayed for. So shouldn't we have the blame too? Times are going good and we forget right after we thank you. Things go downhill, now we finding reasons to hate you. Knowing Jesus suffered through things that we can't even relate to. But we sin, and we make it seem like sinning is okay. And then we blame God for what? Allowing us to make our decisions from day to day? But I mean, did Jesus make that man pull that trigger? Girl killed by a drunk driver, did Jesus make that man pour that liquor? Your fam got lung cancer and I'm sorry, but did Jesus make him like that swisher? Did Jesus make that kid go on the block to sell rocks to get richer? But yeah, I guess it's okay. I guess lying and thieving and cheating is okay. I guess that 7th grade girl showing cleavage is okay. We blame the temptations and the fact that everybody is doing it. Drawn away by our own lust and entice, I mean Jesus had nothing to do with it. Yet he still died, perfect and holy. That man didn't have to go through with it. But we come accustomed to sin and numb to the lust. Now we trusting in men and stuck in a rut in a cut with our friends and think it's all luck, so we buck no concern for the ending. How can we love God when we don't love our brother? Yeah, everybody's dealt a hand, some more fortunate than others, but the end has already been foreshadowed when Jesus flossed that cross. So no pain, suffering, or sorrow can compare to the prize if we continue to walk in. Yeah, this is spiritual work, but we can't pick and choose when to clock in. You judge a man by his fruit, so we can't elude it. I'm not denying the struggle, but every day we turn our backs like Judas. Everything is not meant to understand, but we're standing under the omniscient God's hands. That's a capital G-O-D apostrophe S, hands. Picture the progress if when Jesus handed us the baton, we didn't look back, we just took it and ran. So no, I don't know all the answers. Sometimes I don't even know me. So now, Lord, all I'm asking is for you to take shape, make and mold me. You can even scold me, just make me holy. Sincerely, a sinner.